This is February 1st, Seed-Palooza. What do I mean by Seed-Palooza? Today starts seeding of the first phase of my grow for this season, 2025. I've got 168 that will kick off. It's 168 seedlings in individual cups that's going to kick this off. 5 out of those 8 trays are going to be annuals because found that annuals are still highly desired. I'm going to get those going early so that I have them for like May. And then I've got 3 kinds of perennials: Snapdragon, French Marigold, Mexican Sunflower, Godetia, and Cosmos. These are the annuals I'm going to be growing. Matsumoto Aster. I have a lot of these. True Hyssop, and my world famous pink hollyhocks. Let's get started. It's a good thing I saved 5 billion seeds of marigolds. I'm not going to push these in. I'm just going to get a little bit of soil, extra soil to cover, and I'll push them down. Got 4 trays set up. These are all annuals. French marigolds, Mexican sunflower, Godetia, and Snapdragons. Now I'm going to show you why I really like the self-watering trays. It's not really a good idea to pour water on top of seeds, especially when they're trying to grow. And this way, they'll soak it up from below. Works very well. Yeah. You don't really need to set up any sort of a grow light schedule yet. Not until, again, you see the first set of leaves come out. Photosynthesis can't really happen unless the plants have their leaves. I could be wrong on that, but I think that's how it is. So here's the first mini greenhouse that we have set up in the garage, and this is the second greenhouse that I have set up. They're identical. Probably bought them at the same time, and this one is on. We have this on a different wall, so it's in a different circuit. I have had trouble running 2 houses on the same circuit. There's just, I mean, with 8 heat mats and 16 grow lights, it was just a little too much. I think it was probably only like a 15 amp circuit, so I moved that over here. Would have been nicer if they were kept together, but that's how it is. Well, thank you for joining me on Seed-a-Palooza, February 1st, 2025, and I will be back soon to reveal some updates on these guys. Within a week, I would imagine we'll have some results to show. Thanks a lot for watching. Really appreciate it. 3 days. These are Seashell Cosmos annual seeds. Yeah, it's been 72 hours and they're already an inch tall. And it was kind of cold, and I put a regular incandescent light bulb into a clamp light and put it at the base of the greenhouse, and it definitely helped. It's raised more than what it needs to. It's almost 80 degrees. Matsumoto blue asters. Little bit of mold growth, but it was up to 82 degrees, and I'm going to take the humidity dome off. But these are the Godetia annuals. This is again 72 hours, and they're germinating quite nicely. Soil temperature is pushing 80. A little bit of surface mold. That's no biggie.